Well, I'm now inside. I'm going to preface this video with a few. This video. This video is. Forgot what I was going to say. Anyway, I'm back inside my house, and I've got all my cold weather clothes off, obviously. And I made this video just to show you the importance of keeping the water out of your gas in a small engine and to expect the unexpected. You'll notice that I had a problem with this snowblower. It would pop and bang and it just sounded terrible. Smoke was rolling out of it, but it would run. But of course it wouldn't work. And the final diagnosis was that it had a broken spark plug and it had water in the gas. So I made this little short video just to show you the importance of water in the gas and the importance of a good spark plug in your engine. So here it is. Hope you're all having a nice winter. Bye. Hello there. Thought I'd show you this little video. I'm working on a small MTD snowblower. And when I started up, it would backfire, spit, sputter, all sorts of things. It sounded like it was about to end its life. But I found a few little odd things about it, and I thought I'd show them to you. Here's the snowblower. It's a little 2-cycle MTD. I'll show you the plate on it so you know what model it is. It doesn't say much on it really. Snowblower has just a few controls. It has a choke on it, has a primer ball, electric start, pull cord, and ignition key. The customer really hadn't used this in a long time, so before I'm going to take it back to him, I put little stickers on here to show them where everything was. The spark plug's underneath here. It doesn't tell you that. You have to pry this off. The spark plug's right under there. As I push the dirt off, you can see that this choke, it doesn't say choke, but it shows all the different positions you can put it in. So I put a label on it. The way you adjust the speed on it, it's a set speed. I didn't have to adjust that. I suspected water in the gas, actually. The first thing I did was drain all the gas into an empty gas can I had. And I poured some of it in a jar and let it sit for a few minutes, and I could see some water in it. So I drained all the gas out. Now I'm going to show you exactly what I found. It's an old gas can that I rarely use, so I went ahead and drained it into here. I'm going to pour it into this mayonnaise jar. I already tried this. So here we go. See if there's any water left in this can. This is really a very common problem with small engines. Many of them only have 1 or 2 cylinders. So like in an automobile, if you had a little bit of water in it, one of the other cylinders could do the work while it got rid of it. But on a one cylinder, especially a one cylinder, there's no backup, so if it gets a drop of water in it, it stops. So keep that in mind the next time you're troubleshooting this small engine. This is the spark plug that was in it. As soon as I went to take it out, I thought the spark plug was broken. Actually broken off from somebody doing it. But this is, I've never seen a spark plug do this before. As you can see, it'll go in and out. The vibration just took it apart. The champion plug, who knows what it was doing. Probably the compression was coming out of it. It was going up and down. It was acting really crazy. Well, a new spark plug's always nice. Just for crazy things to happen like this. See the water. I might tell the customer to get rid of their gas. Yeah, it separates.